A memorial continues to grow outside this Edgewater apartment in memory of 11-year-old Jayden Perkins. A suspect has now been charged in his murder and his mother's attack. CBS 2 is always investigating. Our Jermont Terry has been on top of this story for days and has today's big updates in the case tonight. Jermont.
Erica, tonight the man charged in this deadly stabbing has been ordered to stay behind bars. That's where the pregnant mother wanted him all along. Yet it's clear, despite pleading for an emergency order of protection, she was not protected, and questions still looming as to why. Jayden Perkins is being held a hero. The 11-year-old lost his life when he jumped in between his mother and the man attacking her inside their Edgewater apartment.
Her 5-year-old son was also present and witnessed this attack.
Police identify Crosetti Brand as the attacker. He's now charged with first-degree murder, attempted first-degree murder, armed robbery, home invasion, and domestic battery.
And this is something that should have never happened.
Especially when CBS 2 examined court records showing the pregnant woman's fight to keep her family safe from a man she dated more than 15 years ago. We first revealed how the mother was denied an emergency order of protection back on February 21st, where she wrote, "Brand sent me several text messages saying he would kill me and my family. He would wait outside my house and shoot me. I have pics." In court Friday, we learned in 3 different incidents Brand violated orders of protection related to the victim.
And also showed up at her home. He was sent back to prison in February for this parole violation.
And because he was in prison, that's one reason the judge denied the emergency protection. The case was continued for March 13th, yet Brand was paroled the day before. So why was he released?
I don't have a good answer for that. Obviously, that would be a question for the Illinois Department of Corrections.
The Illinois Department of Correction confirms to CBS 2 after stepping before the Parole Review Board at the Stateville Correctional Center, Brand was paroled again. Illinois DOC say they have no record of being notified of Brand's March 13th hearing. Cook County State's Attorney Kim Fox says this case deserves a review.
There was an order of protection that was in place, a lifetime order of protection given to this victim. This is a defendant who was aware that there was an order of protection in place.
Now, you heard State's Attorney Fox say there was already a lifetime order of protection in place. Yet legal experts tell us they never came across something like that. And the court records that CBS 2 obtained do not reflect that either, Erica.
Well, Jermont, it actually turned violent in court today when Brand appeared before a judge.
Yeah, it did, Erica. Emotions are very raw. Things got extremely heated when the 11-year-old's family tried attacking Brand, who was surrounded by guards. Now, they did not get to him, but many of them tried, and the judge had them escorted out of the courthouse, but they were not held in contempt. This family obviously is going through so much, Erica.
All right. Jermont, thank you.